Good morning, everyone. There is good news about Tesla Giga Berlin this morning, and Brandenburg's economy minister Jörg Steinbach says this is more than we expected. Welcome back, friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news. The construction of Tesla's new European factory in Germany, Giga Berlin, brought significant economic changes, most notably to Brandenburg. The company is investing heavily in the region, already generating thousands of jobs and more in the future. Brandenburg's economy minister confirmed that Tesla is filling positions at Giga Berlin with mostly regional workers. We should allay the fears of opponents, because opponents were worried about that people will come from elsewhere and the local population may not have enough jobs. But, Brandenburg needs migration of skilled workers and they are coming, but the good news is that more than half of the workers at Giga Berlin are filled by local population. The search for skilled workers for Tesla's Grünheide Giga Berlin plant is proceeding according to plan, Brandenburg economy minister Jörg Steinbach said at East Germany's Entrepreneur Day. He confirmed that, in particular, the region where Giga Berlin is located will benefit from the new factory. According to the current status, more than half of the employees that are going to work at Tesla Giga Berlin building electric vehicles are from Berlin and Brandenburg, which is in line with Tesla's vision. And this is where Steinbach said, this is more than we expected. The producer is interested in bringing benefits to the region and local residents. They can now not only get high-paying jobs at Tesla Giga Berlin building electric cars, but work in the field of sustainable energy, says Eva Fox at the Tesmanian. In addition, specialists in the region who previously could not get a job in Brandenburg will no longer have to be forced to leave their homes and families in search for work or in other regions of Germany or other countries. The automotive industry in Germany is mainly situated in the southern regions. According to the information, the rest of the employees will come from other parts of Germany or from abroad, particularly probably from Poland. Brandenburg, like all of East Germany, also needs skilled immigration for successful economic and social development, Steinbach said during that day. Earlier, it was expected that the bulk of the workers at Giga Berlin would be Polish workers. However, this turned out to be far from reality. In the first phase of the expansion of Giga Berlin, Tesla factory will employ about 12,000 people, which means that thousands of local residents can get jobs close to their homes. When the factory is fully completed, it should have up to, look at this, 40,000 employees, people working at Giga Berlin. Well, friends, let me know, what do you think? Do you think Giga Berlin is going to exceed the expectations of the local economic local economy, or people living in the local area? This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Let's continue the discussion in the comment section below. Subscribe to our channel and have a great day. Peace be with all of you. God bless you, everyone, and we'll meet in our next Tesla story. Giga Press development is becoming so important for Tesla that Tesla now is partnering with a little-known casting company for Giga Press development. Tesla is partnering with Exco Technologies Limited, a Canadian company that specializes in designing and developing dies, molds, assemblies, and casting for automotive companies. The company's CEO confirmed on an earnings call earlier today, reports Joey Klender from Tesla Radio. Joey says Tesla has long had a focus on manufacturing efficiencies, and arguably is the most efficient and the most popular was the introduction of the Giga Press. The Giga Press is a massive casting machine developed by Italian company Hydra, which helps Tesla cast the chassis and bodies of its all-electric vehicles in a swift, efficient, and non-time consuming manner. Tesla has worked with Hydra to develop massive Giga Press machines that will be used at Gigafactory Texas and Gigafactory Berlin. There are already Giga Press machines working at Tesla's Fremont factory in Northern California, friends. Now it appears that Tesla's partnership for casting and molding technologies is going far beyond Hydra. Earlier today, Exco Technologies held its Q3 2021 earnings call, where it detailed how Tesla is revolutionizing the manner of automotive manufacturing throughout the earlier sector, and actually throughout the entire sector. CEO of Exco Technologies, Darren Kirk, said, and this is via Seeking Alpha, said the following. I'm going to read that. One key trend that will continue to benefit Exco is the increasing size in complexity of die-casting aluminum components. Tesla has really pushed the envelope on this front using massive Giga Presses, which are much larger die-cast machines than those used previously. This enabled Tesla to cast entire subframes of the vehicle in one shot with Giga castings, rather than assemble numerous stamped metal components in the body shop, creating significant space and manufacturing efficiency gains. The tooling required to facilitate this process is very large and extremely complex, limiting the number of players able to complete effectively. Our cast tool division is already the primary supplier of all shots and tooling for Tesla's Giga Press globally. This provides a clear indication of the depth we have in the design and know-how required to meet the challenges of the industry. We expect traditional OEMs will follow Tesla's lead in using these large die-cast machines as they transition to an electric vehicle future. That's what he said. Kirk said that its cast tool division, which is casting and stamping entity owned by Exco, is already supplying Tesla's Giga Press with shot and tooling parts. Kirk stated that he expects Exco's relationship with Tesla to continue to thrive, especially as Gigafactory Texas and Gigafactory Berlin are concerned. Kirk also indicated that Exco is involved with Tesla through all of its divisions, but he would detail explicit evidence that would show how Tesla is being helped by Exco other than with shot and tooling. Peter Scull, an analyst of BMO Capital, asked how the two companies were working together, and Kirk stated the following. He said, well, I'm not going to speak to who's privileging those molds today, but I will say that all of our divisions are involved with Tesla at some level, and they are an important and growing customer across the board, and we see significant opportunity to expand on that. Now it looks like the Exco's relationship with Tesla is going to grow, and this is going to become a major part for Tesla's business. Who knows, maybe Tesla will build casting machines and sell them to other car makers, legacy car makers. I don't know. Casting could perhaps be Tesla's biggest advantage as it continues to ramp up manufacturing and assembly efforts at its facilities. Casts for each of its vehicles can be made in a matter of few seconds, friends. That's why this is very important, effectively revolutionizing the way automotive bodies are made. Tesla has also shown that casting will play a pivotal role in the company's decision to move to a structural battery pack, which will increase safety and vehicle rigidity in the event of an accident. This is very exciting. Let me know your thoughts on all of this, friends. What do you think about this new Tesla casting partnership? This is Armin Harian from TalkNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news. Ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage. God bless you. Peace be with all of you, and let's move on to our next story.